You've identified potential speed bumps along Tesla's path and explained what impact, if any, you foresee them having. What do you see as the biggest headwind currently facing Tesla in the next 2 to 3 years? Gamma ray burst, asteroid impact, like extinction level, supervolcano, possibly, maybe Elon Musk being assassinated. They're about the only headwinds I really see. Now, I know this sounds kind of absurd and ridiculous and arrogant, but it only sounds that way because it's so ridiculous and absurd. I've never seen something like this to the same degree after Amazon until Tesla, where you're just seeing something running away, just it's a crazy lead that appears to be becoming unassailable, and it's accelerating, and you put all the pieces of the puzzle together and you just look out into the future, and then you realize all of the inefficiencies that this company is optimizing out and finding new ways and innovating, disrupting, and just the only real headwinds that I see are just ridiculous ones that I have to just dream up out of, like, oh, what if this happens, like, what if Elon Musk suddenly, gets impaled at SpaceX and no longer is smart, or like, that's what it looks like. They have the best engineering talent already, and the number 1 and 2 most desirable employers for graduating engineering students from the US are SpaceX and Tesla. So they get the best engineers going forward because they want to work at these companies. People don't get paid amazing money at Tesla versus other companies. Technically, a lot of people are choosing to take a potential pay cut by working at Tesla because the mission is more meaningful to them. They're working on something exciting and important. And Tesla recruits at all sorts of events as well. They're really down on the ground getting the best engineers. Then you've got the technology lead in battery and energy management and stuff as well. Then you've got the understanding of actually manufacturing these vehicles at scale. Like, if there was 1 or 2 things Tesla was winning at, then there'd be plenty of other potential headwinds, right? Someone else could come and they're fucking winning at everything. Literally everything. Brand, performance, like value, like features, updates over the air, range. They're not winning on aesthetics, right? That's the only thing you could say if you personally prefer the look of another EV. And you could also make the argument they're not winning on the price point, but they are winning on value, which is way more important than price. Some of the market, they can only pay price, but most of the market can pay for value, and that's what will happen. That's what is happening. So unfortunately, like, my best bear thesis, the big negatives really are just me grasping at straws. Tesla is winning EVs. They're going to gain huge market share during this downturn. Everyone's going to realize this in the next few quarters when Tesla continues to sell and produce at high volumes, and compared to other automakers, we see the quarter over quarter sales changes, and look at those year over year. Everyone's just going to be like, oh fuck, oh Tesla, oh they are actually, oh I see. By the end of this year, everyone's going to get it. I'm calling it. I'm going to keep calling this online so people can clip it and hold me accountable. By the end of this year, the only people that will have any doubt that Tesla has won, like, they're so far ahead on every single thing that matters, the only people that will doubt that will be lunatics or people with a vested interest. Today, I still think some people doubt it legitimately and genuinely, but I wish I had more. It'd make me seem a lot more credible when somebody asks for my biggest bear thesis or bear case. I sound ridiculous and I sound blind. I sound like I'm missing things. That is a result, believe me, of me having dug so deep that I've got to the center of the planet. I can't dig any deeper and gone, oh, okay, there's actually nothing here. Damn.